Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to fix your Tesla AC is not working. Just actually verify that your climate control settings on the touchscreen, the fan speed, make sure it's up, the temperature is actually set low, the AC is turned on. Sometimes it's either on high or, the low accidentally set to that. So, you can do a quick software reset as well if you would like, where basically you just hold down both the scroll wheels on your steering wheel until the screen goes black and the Tesla logo reappears on your touchscreen. What this does is often clears the minor electronic glitches. So it resets your Tesla, and after that, your AC should work as normal. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button. And as always, make sure you also subscribe to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.